I had a lot of fun last week. I hope that you did too. So it looks like we have people already checking in. Look at that. We have managed to have people from 3 different platforms right away. We have a YouTube, an Instagram, and a Twitch. Boom, right away, right to start up the morning. See, we're starting the week strong already, right? So glad to see that. Glad to see that all of you are here. If you are joining us for the first time, then you should know that I like to start with our global roll call just to see where everybody is from. So, and also just to give everybody an opportunity to participate, just let us know the city, state, province that you're from. Let us know, just kind of where you're checking in from. That way we can see the global community of data science, and who knows, maybe you might find some collaboration opportunities or whatnot. It's always good for the community to help each other. So global roll call time, feel free to check in. Just let us know where you're from, and I'll also know what platform you're checking in from, because we get people from Instagram, from Twitch now. We're getting some Twitch engagement. We're getting a lot of YouTube. Still waiting on more X and LinkedIn engagement. So if you're hearing me on LinkedIn, say hello, because it's not always easy to get people from LinkedIn to participate. But yeah, just, really looking forward to spending some time with you guys and kind of getting back to a little bit more of our usual routine of answering questions or whatnot, because we got a little bit away from questions last week since we had some special guests and things like that. But if you have questions, feel free to go ahead and put them in the chat, and I'll do my best to answer. If I can help you, I will. If I can, I'll let you know that too.